Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone 13 Plus to an Android device. You need to start by opening App Store on iPhone and Play Store on an Android. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. I already did that on my Android because it was taking a really long time to download, so I can open it right away. And in order to use it, select I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on iPhone, after clicking open, you need to choose Allow access to all photos and then tap on the best option for you in those two pop-ups. Now click on Yes, I agree or No thanks. Select Close this window and finally tap on OK. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of your iPhone. Now tap on Receive on an Android over here and finally click on Select. This way you will choose all of those files and after clicking send them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only one. Choose send over here and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, tap on Yes, I agree or No thanks. Select Close this window and finally we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Received button. Or we can scan this QR code. If you wish to scan it, just select the scanning icon on an Android, click on while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the QR code. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!